Hi guys, welcome to IT networking and how to download Brother HL-T4000DW. Okay, open browsers to search on Google search box to right click to new tab. Then guys, all of OS are available for download driver with also all version. Select your version and then click to download. Then all are available firmware tools. So I need to only for driver and software. So select this one, scroll down, agree to download. Then guys, single click to download, run. Then guys, select your language and then agree to next. So again, three options. So firstly guys, you have to buy connected by LAN. So try this one, you have to LAN, otherwise Wi-Fi is print is coming so late, so do not try the Wi-Fi, try to USB on LAN. To both is very good and very fast. So if you have a LAN, so connect to LAN and then select this one, then next. So printer IP automatically detect, otherwise you can select this one and then next. Okay, thank you.